welcome to my channel. Karibuni sana. On today's video we are back in the kitchen with another simple recipe. We are going to be making sauteed potatoes. So if you are interested in such a video, please stay tuned and let's get to the video. The ingredients, you're going to need potatoes sliced. You should try and slice them as equal as you can. We're going to need some butter, or if you have blue band, it's even better, so blue band. Then we have black pepper for the seasoning, salt also. We have some diced garlic. We have coriander, and we have some chopped green capsicum and one large chopped onion. We're going to start by boiling our potatoes. This is a hack if you want to reduce the amount of oil you use. So we're going to boil them until they are half cooked. Make sure the water you use is slightly above the potato. To our pot of boiling potatoes, you're going to add salt so that they get the salt inside, and we're also going to put our garlic to flavor them. So our potatoes are half cooked. If you boil them more than this, they will overcook. So this is how you want them to look like, okay? So I'm going now to turn off the heat. So now we are going to drain them. So you want to drain your potatoes, okay? So yeah, let's drain them. You take another pan, a frying pan. You put some oil. Okay, so we want to let this oil heat, and then now we'll put our potatoes. Okay, so now we put our potatoes. You let them cook. Okay, so I'm going to add some more salt here. I realize when you add salt to the oil, it makes a huge difference. I think that's enough. Let's let them crisp. Check out my other videos. I'm going to put a link up here or up here, somewhere there. Yes, there are my other cooking videos, so yes. As the warus are cooking, let's done. So our warus are ready. So we're going to remove them from here. Okay, so I have just put the same oil I used, this one here, to another frying pan that we're going to now saute our potatoes, okay? This is just a serving for one, so you can always adjust the ingredients. Okay, so in go the onion. The secret to nice sauteed potatoes is a lot of onions. So you want to cook them until they're translucent. So yeah, let's wait for them to cook. So this is some garlic that I drained when I was boiling, so I'm just going to add it here. Okay, so our onions are ready. You don't want them to brown, you just want them to be this color, translucent. Then in go our green capsicum. So I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to that. Okay. Then now for our potatoes. They go in there. Okay, so the potatoes are there. Then what you want to do is turn. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I want you to do. Start coating. Last but not least, guys, secret ingredient, butter. Put a large spoon, 1 spoon. Then it gives it such a nice taste. Can you see the sweetness in this meal? So I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper. I don't want a lot. Then finally, for the last ingredient, our coriander. And that's it. As simple as that. A very good snack for the evening. You can have it as dinner if you have a very tiny stomach. Okay, so yeah, that's all. So this is the final product. I'm going to call our taster to come and taste for us. Taster! My cousin Paula will be the taster. So yeah, feel free to taste. Enjoy. The suspense.
Oh my god. This meal, you have to try it. Delicacy. I love it.
Yeah, that's good.
I do love it.
Wow. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section. If you try this, tag me on Instagram at Emarilyn. You can have this also by the way with the chili I made earlier. I'm going to put a suggestion up here, so watch that video. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Until next time, bye guys.